Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be covering setting up a new Mac using your iPhone or iPad. And you could do this with an iPad as well, but in this video, I'll be using an iPhone to transfer data to this new MacBook Air. So we turned on the MacBook Air and the iPhone's turned on. And now we're going to go to the Setup Assistant on the new MacBook Air. And we're going to follow through selecting English and the United States. And then here we're going to select Setup with an iPhone or iPad. So we're going to select that and hit continue, and now it's going to look for the device, and then we're going to unlock the iPhone, and it says to bring it near the MacBook Air, and we're doing that. And as you can see, we get a pop-up here and it says continue, set up your new Mac. So we're going to click continue. And it asks for your Face ID, which we just did. And then you're going to use the iPhone's camera to scan this code that's on the MacBook Air. So we'll do that so we can pair both devices. And then you have to hold it kind of close. And there we go, it's pairing now. And then we'll click through the setup here, through the accessibility screen. Data and privacy, we'll just continue there. And then here on the MacBook Air, you're setting up your local account, and so we'll enter a password. You want to use a complex password if you can. And then I recommend putting in a hint that only you'll know, because if you forget your password or something, you might not be able to get it back into your Mac. So then we'll click continue here. And it's going to set up the account. And then once the local account's created, it's going to set up your iCloud account on the device. And it's going to tell you that on your iPhone. And then we'll click agree on the terms and conditions for iCloud. And then when done, it'll say transfer is complete, and it will give you some options on the MacBook Air if you wanted to adjust any of these before you click continue. We're going with the default, so we're going to click continue. Then you'll get asked for Apple Intelligence setup, and then you want to set up your Touch ID so you don't have to type your password in all the time. And when that's done, you'll finally get the Welcome to Mac screen. Click continue, where you'll sign into the desktop. And as you can see, we have the iCloud accounts all set up in there. And then we'll launch Safari and make sure the bookmarks are there. And that is also synced with iCloud, so we know that's there. And then if you have files or folders on your iPhone or iPad, you can go to the Files app. And you can select the folder, and when you select it and you hold down on it, you'll get some options to share it. So we'll click the share button, and then you can use AirDrop and just AirDrop it over to your new MacBook Air. It'll go into the downloads folder on your new MacBook Air once it's transferred. And then if you have a lot of photos and videos on the iPhone or iPad, you can attach a Lightning to USB-C cable or a USB-C cable to your MacBook Air and import them into the Photos app. If you're paying for iCloud, they should sync to your new Mac. And then we'll open it up and we can just drag the folder to the desktop, and there you have it. And that is how you set up a new Mac using your iPhone or iPad. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.